Good afternoon and welcome back to Max Reviews. Today I'm going to do something different. I bought this R1200 RT BMW recently, and as you can see from some areas, this bike hasn't been cleaned properly for ages. And as you can see, I have washed this regularly, just like 2-3 times yet, and look at the chrome. It's full of stains on it. And comparing to the other section, which I worked on earlier today for about 20 minutes, that looks way better. That is almost 90% original new look. This is gross. So from the way the exhaust looks, I can tell you that this issue is caused probably by riding the bike in rain and mud situation without cleaning the exhaust or the wheels even for extended time. For at least few years, this exhaust hasn't been properly cleaned. So today I'm first going to use some dirt and grime cleaner. This is a wheel cleaner from Turtle Wax. I'm going to use this. Then I'm going to use some WD-40 Classic, and finally I'm going to use some polishing compound to make this exhaust as shiny as before. First, let's start with wheel cleaner. This is a heavy dirt and grime cleaner. So as you can see, still the stains are there after using Turtle wheel cleaner. Next, I'm going to use WD-40 on the exhaust. And let it sit for a while. I give the WD-40 3 to 5 minutes to work on the surface. Okay, it's about 4 or 5 minutes. Now I clean up the WD-40 from the surface of the chrome and exhaust. Okay, as you can see, WD-40 made a bit of difference. The chrome is now shinier than before, but not definitely free of the stains. So stains are still there, especially on top section. Let's go ahead and use some polishing compound to get rid of the stains. But please note that this process might take some elbow grease if you're using manual polishing pads, or if you want, you can use some polisher with compound. Okay, this is 100% better than what it was, but still I can see some stains. So the sponge I used was a very soft polishing sponge. I used that sponge before to polish some plastic, clear plastics, and now I'm using it on chrome. So definitely that sponge has not enough power to remove all these tough stains from many years. So I need to do this again and repeat this process. So stay tuned. Okay, this is the result of spending about 15 minutes on this exhaust all in all, spraying different cleaners and then WD-40 and then polishing with a very soft polishing pad and regular polishing compound. So as you notice, the stains are disappearing and becoming smaller and smaller now comparing to what it was before, but still this chrome is not perfect. There are some marks still there, still visible, and this can be cleaned and polished with 1 or 2 more rounds of polishing. For this last time, I'm going to use a small polishing pad, not a polishing sponge. This is still a very soft polishing pad. Okay, this is the result after only half an hour spending on this exhaust, and it's a very big exhaust. It has a very large kind of surface. So depending on the stains on your exhaust, you might need to repeat the polishing process a few times, but for now I'm happy with this result. As you can see, it's close to perfect, still not perfect, still about 85 to 90% perfection, but this is enough for me at this stage. Okay guys, please let me know in the comment section if you have a better chrome polishing compound or a better method to clean your exhaust. And thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Have a great day. Bye.